Welcome to Simply Learn Tech 101. Today we are going to talk about AI, and I'm going to show you how AI can make your life much easier. I'm going to use Microsoft Copilot because I just got used to using this module, but there are plenty of modules that you can choose from. For example, you can use Gemini by Google, you can use Grok by Tesla, you can use, of course, ChatGPT that actually today is considered the best one, but it always changes. 2 weeks ago, it was Google Gemini that was considered the best, and I'm sure that in a month, another company will take the lead. It doesn't matter. I'm using always Microsoft Copilot because I just got used to it. And also a feature that I like about it, it's the ability to speak with it in a human understandable language. You will see that some features they are similar to searching in Google, but the benefit of using AI is that you can talk to it like it's your best friend. And also it remembers searches that you were using before. It knows your history. You don't need to tell it every time everything that you were searching because it knows about your history and former talks that you had with it. So, by the way, AI is artificial intelligence, and today I'm going to show you what is generative AI. Generative AI, it means that this module was reading a lot of information from the internet, and based on this information, it generates for us new information. Remember, it always is that sometimes it hallucinates. It means hallucinating that it can give you wrong answers. So roughly between 5 or 10% of all the responses that we get today from AI is basically a total lie. So be aware that some of the answers that it can give you, they can be totally wrong. All right, so let's start. Let me show you what you can do with AI. Here I'm using, as I said, Microsoft Copilot. You can also install it on your phone if you have an Android or if you have an iPhone. So you can find the Microsoft Copilot or all of the others chatbot modules, downloading it basically. You can use it on your phone or on your laptop. I most of the times I use it on my phone, but today, for the sake of the demonstration, I'm using it through a browser. So let me show you some examples.
Hey, Marka.
Hey, how are you? Good morning.
Yo, Marco, morning. How's it going?
I'm doing great. Today, I just wanted to ask you what you think about what happened to me at night. I was sleeping very bad and I felt I have some um, headache. What it can be?
Sorry to hear about your rough night. Poor sleep and headaches can be caused by stress, poor sleeping posture, or even dehydration. Reflecting on your day and hydration levels might help pinpoint the cause. What do you think?
Okay, so give me tips what I can do next time in order to avoid those issues.
All right. First, make sure to hydrate well throughout the day. Set a wind down routine to help relax before bed. Consider your sleeping position and pillow, ensuring they're ergonomically friendly. Finally, try some light stretching or meditation to calm your mind. What do you think?
Thank you for the tips.
No problem. Hope they help. How about we switch gears to something lighter?
I want you to teach me a little bit about the Second World War II. What were, what was the cause for the beginning of the war?
World War II kicked off in 1939, mainly because of the aggressive expansionist policies of Nazi Germany under Adolf Hitler. They invaded Poland, causing Britain and France to declare war. It was a complex mix of political, economic, and social factors. Interested in exploring more about this era?
Teach me a little bit about what's going on in the economy today worldwide.
The global economy faces challenges like inflation, supply chain issues, and the effects of the pandemic. Central banks are adjusting interest rates to control inflation, and there's a focus on sustainable growth. Different regions are experiencing varying levels of economic recovery and
Okay,
uncertainty.
thank you very much. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime. What's next?
Give me some examples of what I can do with Chatbox AI.
Chatbots are pretty versatile. You can use them for customer support, automating responses to common questions. They can help with lead generation and even schedule appointments. You can also integrate them into e-commerce sites for personalized shopping assistance. What are you thinking of using a chatbot for?
I want to practice my Arabic. Can we practice Arabic?
بكل تأكيد أنا جاهز لمساعدتك في ممارسة اللغة العربية. من أين تريد أن نبدأ؟
سنبدأ من خياتي.
بالطبع. خلينا نبدأ بمحادثة بسيطة. كيف بتقول مرحبا بالعربية؟
Translate مرحبا to English.
مرحبا means hello in English. Let's continue practicing Arabic phrases. Ready when you are.
يلا.
يلا. كيف بتقول thank you بالعربية؟
شكرا.
ممتاز. شكرا. تعني thank you. كيف ممكن أساعدك أكثر في التحدث بالعربية؟
Now I want to practice with you my Hebrew.
מעולה. בוא נתחיל עם משהו פשוט. איך אומרים שלום בעברית?
בוקר טוב.
בוקר טוב. מצוין. בוקר טוב משמעו good morning. רוצה להמשיך לתרגל בעברית?
לא תודה.
בכיף. מתרגלים בעברית?
Give me another example of what I can do today. It's a beautiful day outside and I want to do something interesting.
Exploring the outdoors? Sounds perfect for a beautiful day. How about a hike, visiting a botanical garden, or kayaking if there's a lake nearby? Enjoying nature could be just the thing you need.
Based on where I am, what you recommend me to do today?
Given that you're in Nueva Gorgona, Panama, why not hit the beach? Relax, swim, try some water sports. And later you could explore local markets or enjoy some fresh seafood at a beachside restaurant. Sound fun?
And what about the weather today? It's going to be nice or it's going to be raining?
Oh, it's looking like a lovely day over there in Nueva Gorgona. Partly sunny with a high around 28 degrees Celsius. Maybe pack some sunscreen if you're heading out. Enjoy the sunshine.
Can you tell me a joke?
Sure thing. Why did the computer go to the beach? To catch some...
Why?
Sure thing. Why did the computer go to the beach? To catch some waves. Surf's up.
It wasn't so good joke. Maybe another one.
All right, let's try again. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts.
That's better actually. So tell me a little bit about the weather for the next 2 3 days.
Glad you liked it. Let me check the weather forecast for Nueva Gorgona. Give me a moment. The next few days in Nueva Gorgona look mostly sunny with highs around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. However, you might want to keep an umbrella handy, as there's a chance of light rain showers starting on the 12th.
I get it. I get it. Thank you very much. I have a question for you. I'm going to buy a cart to open an ice cream shop, a little ice cream shop. Can you give me some ideas how to do marketing for this new business?
Absolutely. Start with a catchy name and a vibrant logo to draw attention. Utilize social media to showcase your unique flavors and customer experiences. Partner with local events or food festivals for tastings. Loyalty programs and community engagement will keep customers coming back for more. Ready to create some buzz?
Oh, that's fantastic. And tell me, what about social media? How much you think I should invest in marketing in social media, and which social media is the best for my business?
Social media's key for a business like an ice cream shop. Facebook and Instagram are great for visuals and community engagement. That's for investment. Start small, maybe around 10 to 15% of your budget, and see what works best. Ready to scoop up those customers?
You know, I was always interested in Buddhism. Can you summarize for me what is Buddhism?
Certainly. Buddhism is a path of practice and spiritual development leading to insight into the true nature of reality. It focuses on the Four Noble Truths, which explore the nature of suffering and the path to liberation through practices like meditation, mindfulness, and ethical living. It's
Thank
a
you very much. Thank you very much. Very interesting. So, to finish this video, I want you to give to the listeners of my channel in YouTube, give them some tips how they can improve their skills using AI.
All right, folks. To boost your skills using AI, start by exploring online courses and tutorials to get the basics. Practice with AI tools relevant to your field, whether it's content creation, data analysis, or design. Stay curious and experiment with AI to find creative solutions. Finally, join online communities to share experiences and learn from others. Keep pushing those boundaries.
And give me some ideas shortly how they can use AI in their day-to-day.
AI can help streamline daily tasks, like automating emails, managing schedules, or even providing personalized recommendations for shopping or entertainment. You can also use it for language translation, fitness coaching, or learning new skills. AI's got your back in so many ways.